TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have another small haul from MFT. I'm gonna need to stop following them on Facebook and unsubscribe from their newsletter so I will stop being tempted by sales. So this will be the last haul until the new holiday stuff starts coming out. I believe Simple Stories and Photo Play start releasing Christmas around this time of year. I will be starting my holiday card series sometime in September. You guys know I really love to do that. I don't know how that's going to look this year. But yeah, so I picked up a few things from MFT. I'll have a declutter or destash coming in the next week or two. I've mentioned that several times. My last video was a rambly mess about why I left Stampin' Up! Or talking about being from Stampin' Up! 2 years out. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check that out. Be sure to leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite product was that I picked up. And let's head over to my craft table and we'll get started. So yeah, I remember now because I bought this. This is a paper pad, grid paper pad. I don't know if it's new or not, but I actually kind of like having something like this on my desk. I haven't had one in forever. Plus, when you're coloring with Copics, it really does well to have some, like a piece of paper or something absorbent underneath it. Wait, are they not attached? They are. They're just attached upside down. That's okay. Okay, that's kind of weird. They're attached from down here. That's really, really weird. Okay, let's see what we got. We got one jelly bean. I did not get the highlighter off my hand, so it's a little shiny. They were having a 16th birthday code, and then they did the 1776 for the July, and one of the things was a freebie. We spent $50, so I got this paper grid. You guys know I've been picking up their paper pads because I love them. I did put in a request for Houndstooth. We shall see what happens. Okay, so I picked up just one stamp set, and that was this one. This is the Beast Friends, and this, I believe this is BB Brown, maybe? Yeah, BB. And I just love these cute little Yetis. They are adorable. So it's, you're my beast friend, you're the good kind of weird. I believe in you, do my beastie, the best is Yeti to come. Friends like you are rare. Are you Yeti for Christmas? Sending hugs. And then you get 4 little Yetis. You get a hat, some footprints, a heart, a few trees, a couple of gifts, and a scarf. And I went ahead and picked up the coordinating dies because both, again, these were both on sale. Got that. Then I picked up some other dies. So this is new. This is their sand and surf die. So it basically makes a sand dune and a beach, some water or some waves. And I thought that would be really fun to play with. This was the free gift with purchase. These 2 Band-Aids, called Band-Aids. And then I picked up a couple of things to make scenes with. If you saw did I share this in a haul? I honestly can't remember with that. I got that out of the box mini slimline so I can make box cards, and this is the snowdrifts. These were out of stock when I purchased the other ones, and I bought a cute fence. This is the heartfelt fence. So not a huge haul. I mean, I don't really need much of anything, to be quite honest, but fun nonetheless. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Here's a peek at Friday's card. It may even go up on Thursday because Friday is the last day. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really do appreciate you. I hope you're having a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Thank you for all the love on the Stampin' Up! Video. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone saying hi, hello. We are back to back to life, back to reality. We are back to, or I am back to creating, and I may be slow, but we're doing it, and that's all that matters. So, all right, guys, I love your faces, and I will see you either Thursday or Friday for my next video. Bye for now.